Did you know more than 90% of website traffic comes from mobile devices? Welcome to the new world of active mobile internet users. Now everyone uses vertical videos to search for anything, including new products, information, and many more. And here's a pro tip. Vertical videos that are optimized for mobile are taking over TikTok, Reels, and Shorts. They have a 90% higher completion rate to get more than 50 million daily views. It's time for you to create and sell the super complete of vertical video animation for your unlimited buyers starting today. Imagine! Today, you can create and sell eye-catching vertical video animation templates to your customer on Reels, TikTok, and Shorts without installing and download files. Just access, edit, export, and sell on your social media, website, or anything. Yes, this time is perfect to generate your passive income by selling animation templates. But the problem is, how can we create and sell digital products without the headache of downloading and installing templates and many other problems? Introducing InstaReelz. InstaReelz is the world's first cutting-edge tool that is fresh for you to create and sell mobile video animations without downloading and install files. You only need Canva free account to edit all the elements, replace text, images, videos, or even background music. And watch, your video will satisfy your audience's eyes in the first few minutes. No more create yourself, no more stress, no more wasting time, and no more download files. InstaReelz comes full of all the tools you need to grab the attention of buyers with vertical video alignment just by using the Canva free account. And best of all, you can easily resell all the templates from InstaReelz without downloading and uploading the file. Just copy and paste the link. Check out our templates. Cinematic animation templates. Transform your Canva to create cinematic-style vertical videos on TikTok, Reels, Shorts, or other social media platforms. Various animation templates. Make your clients happy with your creativity by producing eye-catching animated vertical videos every time. Pro animation templates. You can create eye-catching promo vertical videos on your social media to get the attention of your buyers and increase your profit. Tips animation templates. The fastest way to give information to your client is with professional tips and video animations. Quote animation templates. Get the attention of potential buyers in the first seconds with eye-catching quote video animations. Square animation templates. Create smooth and beautiful square animation and make your audience say wow to your social media account. Vertical banner designs. You can create awesome vertical banner designs for your unlimited promo. Square banner designs. Get more views on your social media platforms with our professionally square banner designs. Only 3 simple steps using InstaReelz. Step 1. Log in and select a template. Step 2. Edit template with Canva free account. Step 3. Export. If you want to sell, just copy and paste InstaReelz template link, and your templates are ready to sell in a few seconds. The best part is, you'll get resell right license only for this launch period, so you can keep 100% profit you make by selling InstaReelz templates. Now stop wasting your time and money trying to create high-quality vertical videos for your business. InstaReelz helps you with countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price InstaReelz will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and access InstaReelz with special discount prices.